Dear students, welcome to my today's session. Hope you have completed the homeworks what I have given in my last session. Try to solve all the problems which are there in question bank. Today in this session, let us see a problem on capital adjustments of partners. So sometimes after the retirement of a partner, the remaining partners will change the proportionate of their capitals. They may fix the capital or they may change the proportionate of their contribution. So at that time, while doing partners capital account, we should see that and we should adjust as per their agreement. If any excess is remaining, that should be given to those partners. If there is deficit, that should be borne by the partners. We see one problem from the question bank. Problem number 3, under problems with capital adjustments, page number 55. Page number 55. Look at the problem. The balance sheet of Amit, Bhima and Chandru, who are partners in a firm sharing profits according to their capitals as on March 31st, 2018. See there is no ratio. They are sharing profits as per capitals. Asset side, you are seeing buildings, machinery, stock, debtors, cash at bank. Liability side, creditors, capitals and general reserve. So all familiar items only are there. Let's see the adjustments. On that day, Bhima decided to retire from the firm and was paid for his share in the firm subject to the following. The terms as per the deed when Bhima decided to retire as follows. Buildings to be appreciated by 20%. Buildings value should be increased as per the market value of that time when Bhima retired. Bhima retired. Provision for bad debts to be increased to 15% on debtors. So it is a new condition here. If they give like this, for example, provision for bad debts to be increased. Increased means you should see the earlier figure. Earlier in the balance sheet, they have given that debtors 20,000 less PBD 1,000. So 1,000 of 20,000 is, that is 5% already they kept. 5% plus 10%, together 15% when they prepare balance sheet. Machinery to be depreciated by 20%. Another asset is decreasing. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 72,000. They have given total amount of the goodwill. They valued it. The retiring partner share is adjusted through capital accounts of remaining partners. So this is as per the new provisions. We have to adjust goodwill with partners capital account, not opening goodwill account. The capital of the new firm be fixed at rupees 1,20,000 and it should be adjusted equally among containing partners and adjustments are to be made in cash. So they have fixed the capital also 1,20,000 and they are telling if any adjustments are there regarding their capitals, it should be made in cash. They have not given anything about payment of retiring partner. So we should consider that we should open loan account. Prepare revaluation account, capital accounts of the partners and the balance sheet of the balance sheet after the retirement of Bhima. Now let us start. First we should do revaluation account to see the net gain or a loss on revaluing assets. Start revaluation account. The amount column. Take sufficient place. Yes, debit and credit. Right here, revaluation account. Revaluation account. Then you write the details, particulars. It is amount column, amount in rupees, amount, particulars and amount. Now you should see increase and decrease. Remember, asset increases and liability decreases will come to this side. Asset increases and liability decreases will come to credit side, and asset decreases and liability increases will come to debit side. So when asset increases, liability decreases, remember, write in the credit side, because asset account debtor to revaluation account. Here you start buildings to be appreciated by 20%. Buildings are to be appreciated by 20%. 20% increase in the assets. So when asset increases, this side. So right here, by buildings, see the amount, book value. Book value is 1 lakh. Book value is 1 lakh into 20%. 20 by 100. 10% is 10,000. 20% is 20,000. Easily we can calculate 20,000. Provision for bad debts to be increased to 15% on debtors. So I told you, here provision for bad debts are to be increased to 15%. In such a case, you should see what is there in the balance sheet. Balance sheet already 20,000 debtors are there, less PBD 1%, that is 5% already they have created. You should make it 15,000, not keeping 15,000 again. You should increase to 15,000. That means you should add 10% of that. That means a liability increases. When liability increases, we write in this side. Right here, to provision for bad debts, to PBD. First you calculate 15% on debtors. Debtors 20,000. 20,000, 15%, that is 3,000. Now already 5% they adjusted, so write 3,000 minus 1,000, which is old. So increase only 2,000. Increase is only 2,000. Next you see, machinery to be depreciated by 20%. An asset is decreasing. So this side, to machinery account. To machinery account. Machinery account, 20% of the book value. Book value of the machinery is 50,000. 50,000 into 20%. 50,000 into 20%. 50,000, 10% is 5,000. 20% is double of that. That is 10,000. Now you see, goodwill doesn't come here. Goodwill and also capital adjustments. Fifth adjustment is capital adjustments. Generally they give 3 or 4 adjustments related to increase or decrease in the assets or liabilities. Sometimes they may give unrecorded assets or liabilities. You should be careful. Now we close the account. While closing the account, take sufficient place to transfer the profit. So here profit only comes, this side is 20,000, this side is 12,000. So income side is more. So first you close the accounts. So here it is 20,000, right? This figure, here also 20,000. So balance is 8,000. Balance is 8,000. This should be given to all partners, including retiring partner, because his contribution is also there. Now the thing is, you should see the old ratio. They have not given old ratio, they have given capital ratio. So you should find out, just we do one working note. Working note. Without working note also you can calculate. So new or a profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio of Amit, Bhima and Chandru. Amit, Bhima and Chandru as per their capitals. So you can write as per their capitals. Capitals. If it is so, we should see their capitals. Their capitals are 80,000 is to 40,000 is to 40,000 respectively. So we have to minimize it. So it becomes 8 is to 4 is to 4. So still you can minimize 1 za, 4 1 za, 4 2 za. So it is 2 is to 1 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is to 1 ratio. 2 is to 1 is to 1 ratio. Now on that ratio you should share this to all. First you write to partners capital account. Partners capital account. First Amit. Amit's share is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Bhima's share is 1 by 4 and Chandru's share is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 8,000. 8,000 into, it is easy, no need of calculating. 2 by 4 means it is half, that is 4,000. 4,000, then 2,000 and 2,000. 2,000. So it should come above this. After this, you have to transfer this profit to the partner's capital account. Now, no other items are there here. Remember this one, and after this down, you have to prepare partner's capital account. In the book, you can prepare horizontally by taking sufficient place. Now, let us prepare partner's capital account. Here, partners capital accounts. Partners capital accounts. Right? Debit and credit. Right here particulars. And this is the amount column of Amit, this is Bhima's and this is Chandru. And right here again particulars, Amit, Bhima and Chandru. Yes. Next you see the balance sheet. Their capitals. After preparing partner's capital account, remember you should enter one by one. First you see balance. Afterwards you see any revaluation, profit or loss. Then you see reserve fund. Then you see profit and loss account, that is accumulated profit or loss. Then last you see goodwill treatment. Then you see payment of retiring partners. Then close the accounts. Now you write first by balance, because they have credit balance. By balance brought down. By balance brought down. It is 80,000, 40,000 and 40,000. 80,000, 40,000 and 40,000. Next one is by revaluation account. Revaluation account. Revaluation account profit you got already, that is 4,000, 2,000 and 2,000. 4,000, 2,000 and 2,000. Next I told general reserve, just to see whether general reserve is there. 20,000 general reserve is there, right? This also will come here, general reserve. 20,000 in 2:1:1 ratio. So it becomes 10,000, easy calculation, 5,000 and 5,000. 10,000, 5,000 and 5,000. Okay, no other items. Now goodwill. Read that goodwill of the firm is valued at 72,000. Firm's goodwill is given 72,000. Retiring partner's share is to be adjusted through capital accounts of others. So we should see only retiring partner share. Retiring partner is Beam. Beam's share is 1/4. Calculate that. So it becomes 18,000. 18,000. While calculating his share, we should see old ratio. When they are adjusting with the remaining partners, we should see gain ratio. So gain ratio is 2:1. So 18,000 into 3/2 and 18,000 into 1/3. So it becomes 12,000 and 6,000. 12,000 and 6,000. So this is Amit's, this is Chandru's share. So it is 12,000, it is 6,000. So they have to compensate in this share, this ratio, that is gain ratio. So right here, you know the entry I told, as per the new provisions, it should be like this only. Remaining partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. Retiring partner is Beam. Beam's account is credited by, first you should see Amit's account, by Amit's capital account, right, capital account full, by Chandru's account, Chandru's account. So both are this goodwill share, goodwill bracket you write. Amit's share is 12,000 you are giving, and Chandru's share is 6,000, 6,000. But you have to compensate it, the reverse entry. Bima's account debtor to Amit's account. Bima's account is credited by Amit's account as well as Chandru's account. This much we have given. Now that amount should transfer to their account. The entry remaining partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. So Amit's account debtor to write Beam's account, Bima's account. That amount Amit will contribute 12,000 and Chandru will contribute 6,000. So in the gain ratio, goodwill. That's all. Next adjustment is capital adjustments. It is new for you. It is easy. Before capital adjustment, first you close Bima's account, because Bima doesn't come under this capital treatments. He will not be a capital in a partner in future. So total is account that becomes 40, 47, 49. So it becomes 65,000. 65,000 right here. 65,000. 65,000, yes. So here you see, here also 65,000. First you close retiring partners, then it will be easy for you. Retiring partner share is 65,000. Here you see any balance, no balance. As earlier, here they have not given how to pay. So we open retiring partners loan account. So write here to Bhima's loan account. Bhima's loan account. Bhima's loan account, full amount 65,000. Balance transferred. Balance transferred to his loan account. Now generally you used to write here balance carried down, but here balance carried down amount is given. So you can do that. Required capital of Amit and Chandru after retirement, it is together it is 1,20,000. Together it is 1,20,000. They are telling they should adjust equally. That is 1:1 ratio. That means 1,20,000 into 1/2 Amit's share, 1,20,000 into 1/2 Chandru's share. It's easy, 60,000. So 60,000 balance will come. Now after adjusting this one, before closing the account, just see the balance. While before writing the balance, take sufficient place, because I told sometimes they may give to the firm or firm may give to them excess money, if any. Deficit means they should give. Now leave 2 lines to write by thinking that firm only will give them. Write the general entry, that is to balance carried down. As per this one, it is 60,000 and 60,000. 60,000. Now you should see the balance. You can show in working note also, or you can do here directly. Better you show in working note. So in working note, you should total it. Here 47,000 is there, 47,000 is there, and here 66,000 is there with the new balance. 66,000 is there, 47,000 is there. It is easy to see. Now required capital is 60,000, and here give to Bhima 6,000. So total of this side is 66,000. Total of this side is 47,000. Write this side only. 66,000. 66,000. Now you see the balance. Here there is balance. Here there is balance. That means he has to give money. He has to give money to the firm, because if he gives money, firm's balance increases. So that becomes 19,000. 19,000. This is the deficit. It should be given to the firm through bank. Bank account debtor to Chandru's capital account bank. That is deficit brought. You can write. Now the last, see there, 80, 90, 94,000 this side. Here it is 72,000. So this side the total only more. 94,000. And here it is 94,000. 94,000. Now you should see whether he has to bring money or firm has to give. As this is more, to reduce to 60,000, they have to give. See here 94,000 is there. So this side it is 94,000. So here you should make 94,000. If you want to make it 94,000, you have to add money here. So that addition is there. No? That is surplus amount of this person. That is 22,000. 22,000. It can be withdrawn. He will withdraw that money. So to cash or bank account. To cash or bank account, that is surplus withdrawn. Surplus withdrawn by Amit. So as a result of that, they continue the balance 60,000 each. 60,000 balance they continue. As per this agreement, Amit will get 20,000 extra. Chandru should bring 19,000 to the firm. While writing in the balance sheet, you should write 60,000 plus 60,000, because it is already settled. One person brought 19,000 deficit, one person was given extra 20,000. So write here, by balance brought down, 60,000 and 60,000. That's all. Now you should remember this amount in the balance sheet, and also Beam's loan account when you prepare balance sheet. Okay, let us prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet of, you should write only two partners, Amit and Chandru. As on date is retired on 31st March. So next day 1/4/2018. 1/4/2018. So right here, this is liability side. Liabilities amount in rupees. This is asset side and amount. So see the previous balance sheet. Buildings are there. We start from asset side in the order what they gave. First buildings. With the adjustment you should write. Original value is 1 lakh. Appreciated to 20,000. So you should write add appreciation. Appreciation means increase. 20,000. So it becomes 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Next is machinery. Remember the adjustment. Machinery. Balance sheet figure is 50,000. Here depreciation is there. So you should deduct less depreciation, that is 20%, 10,000. So outer column 40,000 will come. Outer column 40,000. Next asset is stock. There is no change, right? As it is, stock amount is same. That is 18,000. Next debtors, there is an adjustment. Debtors, inner column you write 20,000. So together we will reduce. Separately also you can do PBD 15%, 10% now new, 5% old. So it is 3,000. So it becomes 17,000. Next, cash at bank. So we are not preparing cash account or bank account. So here you should be very careful. Always be conscious regarding calculation of cash. If you prepare cash account or bank account, no problem. Here they did not ask to prepare cash or bank account. So see there, cash at bank. Original balance is 40,000. Next, one partner gave us 19,000. Remember, Chandru gave us his deficit amount 19,000. And one partner has taken money from the firm. Firm has given him minus 22,000. You can show in working note or you can write here. So it becomes 11,000. So it becomes 11,000. Then come to this side, creditors. Creditors amount is, book value it is 21,000. Next is capital is given, general reserve is given, general reserve will not come. Then one item, that is Bima's loan account, that we will write last. First we write capitals. Amit and Chandru, retiring partner is Bima, 60,000 each. So it becomes 1,20,000. 1,20,000, that was the expectation after Bima's retirement. Next you write Bima's account still pending, is not a partner but his account is there with us as Bima's loan account. full amount we have treated as loan account. Sometimes they may give 50% bank or 50% cash. So at that time you should be careful. So here they did not give anything. That's all. All items have completed. Then neatly see the totals once. When you total it, it becomes 2,06,000. 2,06,000. Here also 2,06,000. 2,06,000. So answer, given answer is also 2,06,000. 2,06,000. There in the question bank, they have given capital balances as 80,000 and 40,000. So that was adjusted as per the ratio. But they told to distribute equally. Equally means it becomes 60,000 and 60,000. So this is about adjustment of partners' capital account and balance sheet. It's very easy. So here also there are 2-3 problems are there. One problem is homework for you. So the next problem, that is X, Y and Z were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018 as under. Here all familiar figures, items are there in the asset side. Liability side, one extra new item is there, profit and loss account. If they mention profit and loss account, that means accumulated profit which was not distributed. Undistributed profit, undistributed loss will appear in the balance sheet in the name of profit and loss account. When a partner retires or when a partner admits, we should settle that. So here as it is there in the liability side, you know, it is a profit. Liability side if they give, that is a profit because firm is liable for that. This should be distributed to the partners, all partners. Then stock is increased by, who is retiring? Z is retiring. After his retirement or during his retirement, stock is increased by 20%. Maintain PBD at 10% on debtors. Here also same case, you should maintain 10%. 10%. Depreciate machinery and furniture by 10% each. Buildings are to be revalued. They did not say whether increase or decrease. They are telling revalued. 50,000 to 60,000 increase. Goodwill to the extent of retiring partner share is created. So they are given retiring partner share. So you adjust like this only, without opening goodwill account. Remaining partners capital account added to retiring partners capital account. And try other problems also. This is homework. And other problems what are there in question bank. So you can solve that. It will be a revision of the previous lesson also.